All right, so the crypto market is set to have 1 billion users by the end of 2025. And with all of these major sporting events coming up, a lot of people are looking into how they can place wagers using crypto. And so one platform that has been getting the best reviews, some of the best ratings, is a platform called BetBeast. I've been using them for quite a bit. They launched in 2023, and they stand out in the crypto wagering sector because they have a lot of different game selections. They have a secure environment, attractive bonuses, and despite some country restrictions and withdrawal limits, it offers a very comprehensive and engaging experience. They have over 3,000 plus games, 24/7 support, VIP perks, and generous bonuses. So that's something that is really interesting in my opinion, because with the Super Bowl coming up, with major sporting events coming up, with, NBA continuing to roll out, we're seeing that all of these major professional sports teams, a lot of people are looking to put crypto into these platforms and place wagers and make some wagers on what's going on with these sporting events. And so the platform that I've been using is Betting Beast, because Betting Beast allows you to select odds and amount with one click on their platform, and you could go ahead and place the prediction on several bookmakers and exchanges for you, all just directly with one account. The cool thing about it is that you don't need multiple accounts, you don't need multiple browser tabs, you could always get the best possible price, and so it's very simple and easy to use, which is something that is really, really exciting. That's why it has such high reviews and ratings among many platforms and many people's opinions. So the cool thing about this platform is not only are they very simple and easy to use, but when you're looking at it, they make it very, very simple to go about actually having various bookies in a single view. So that's something that makes it different from other platforms, is that you can have a simple and convenient platform, but also Betting Beasts, their bet slip features just options from various bookies in a single view, and that's something that really makes it that you don't have to have multiple tabs. Like I said, you can ultimately just use Betting Beasts in order to bet and get very high odds. So you must choose a match that has at least 7 bookmakers available in bet slip, but ultimately Betting Beasts, they offer exclusive benefits, exclusive rewards. And so if we're looking at how the platform actually works, you can see they have this bit of a tutorial which shows it very easy and very simple. So it says, welcome to the tutorial. It's quick. All the information is simulated. So let's just go ahead and start this. Let's go ahead. They ask you to switch this to 12 hours because this is going to show your filtering on the timeline on the top left. It's going to show leagues with matches starting in the next 12 hours. There, we've done that. Now we can see, sure, there's a soccer event that's going to take place, and it says select the region, select soccer, then we're going to go ahead and select England, and lastly the league, so with Premier League. Then once you've done that, you're going to be able to see exactly what matches are in that specific selected league. Pretty cool. You also could do parlays, which we'll go over in a minute, but now you're going to go ahead and see the matches in the selected league, which is right here, Arsenal, Manchester City. Now we could go ahead and you're going to please select a price to open a bet slip, make a test bet. This is play money and not real money. So we just would go ahead and click on that, and we're going to see it says, look, goals, FT moneyline, Arsenal, instant is when it expires. Risk stake, we could just go ahead and put in, let's say $20, odds 2.0. So you can see the max stake is 20.8, max odds 2.0, a potential payout is 20, average price. You can see all of that. You could just go ahead and click on place bet. It's going to ask you if you're sure. It says you're seeing a bet slip. The highest odds is already filled out. Please input the risk stake amount. And so you could see just you're doing all that really simple. It's really easy to go about using. So you just click on sure, and then it's simple as that. You're going to be able to place that prediction. So now your order is shown at the bottom of the screen, and you can see that right now it's got accepted. You can see exactly what's going on, what the status is, what the requested amount was. You can see all of those details. Next thing we want to go over is going to be the top of the screen, because you can go ahead and see that you could go ahead and trade. You can see your orders, statements, which are what you've already done in the past, and finance, which are transactions and analytics. If we go ahead and look at the orders section, you could go ahead and see on orders, you can see the potential profit loss, requested stake, all of those details. And And then you can also see finance, which is transactions and analytics. So other thing I do want to go over, let's stop this tutorial, is going to be with other sports. So the cool thing about it is, let's say you want to do a parlay. You can go ahead and click parlay. We'll click on sports. Let's go to soccer. Let's go to Brazil. Monero MG, you're going to go ahead and see one event right here. Then you can go ahead and also click on, let's say, basketball, United States, NCAA, and then you can click on, let's go with another basketball. Like, you can see all of these different events. You can go ahead and easily make a parlay with them. So right now we have soccer open, we have basketball open. You could also see, let's go to ice hockey. We're going to go to ice hockey, United States, NHL, and with that, now we'll see NHL. So now you could easily go about doing a parlay, using your crypto, using your money to make a prediction on what you think is going to happen with hockey and basketball and with soccer, like all on one screen. You can see all of this just directly on one screen. You can sort it by when the event is starting. You could have favorites, which we haven't favorited any of these yet, but favoriting just would mean you go ahead and click star next to them. Then we can go ahead and look. Now our favorites are just shown. 2 different sports. We see we had 3 events. Very easy, very simple. So this is something that is very different than any other platform out there, because with Betting Beast, you can see all of these different wagers directly from one screen. You don't have to go ahead and sort from different tabs. You can do everything just directly from one screen. And by using Betting Beast, you gain access to the highest odds on your bets, as it ultimately just goes about collecting odds from numerous bookmakers, places the bets for you all with one click, and it finds like the best odds for your bets from multiple different betting sites. Like I said earlier, they have like 7 different bookmakers available in the bet slip. And so this is something that just is very simple and easy and has more advanced tools, better betting odds than other platforms out there. So this is why this platform has gained some of the highest ratings and highest reviews. And with the crypto market expected to hit 1 billion users, with all of these major sporting events coming up, I'm expecting a lot of people to want to use these platforms. And if you're wanting to deploy your crypto, use it for making predictions, whether that's investing in crypto or if it's going to be with using it for sports contracts, well, Betting Beast ultimately has some of the best odds and the easiest, most simple platform out there. So something that I've been using recently, and I think it's worth checking out.